Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recover email, or recover your Gmail or Google account without phone number, without recovered email, lost access to your Gmail account but don't have your phone number or recovered email. Don't worry, in this step-by-step guide you will learn how to recover your Gmail account without using a phone number or recover email. So let's see. So first of all, I can show fast process how to recover your Gmail account or Google account without recover email, without phone number, without password. So let's see. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome or go to your Google. After that, choose and open Google. In this time I can show fast process. After that, right top corner, click here. In this here, click on it. After that, choose and select add another account, click here. After that, in this here, write your recovered Gmail account. After that, choose next, click on it. Enter your password, and in this you can lose or forget your Gmail account or Google or email account password. In this you can choose forget password, click here. Enter the last password that you remember using with this Google account. When you lose or forget your Gmail or Google or email account last password, after that you can choose try another way, click on it. After that you can choose I don't have my phone, click here. After that, in this you can choose I don't have my phone, click on it. Couldn't sign you in, but in this you can easily recover your Gmail account without phone number, without recovered email, without verification code, without password. So let's see. In this time I can show second process or second method. So go to your phone settings. After that, choose and open phone settings. In this you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Google account without phone number, without recover email, without password. So let's see. After that, scroll down. After that, choose and select Google, click here. After that, right top corner, three button option, click here. You can see open source license, help, give feedback. So in this you can choose and select help, click here. After that, in this here write and search can't sign into your Google account. You can see can't sign into your Google account. So in this you can choose and open can't sign into your Google account, click here. Can't sign into your Google account. After that, you can see many issue. In this you can choose and select one issue. After that, in this you can see you are having trouble with two-step verification. So in this you can choose and select this issue. You are having trouble with two-step verification. In this here, click on it. After that, scroll down. You can see recover your account. So choose and open recover your account. After that, scroll down. You can see if you can sign in, try the steps for account recovery. So in this time you can choose and select the steps for account recovery, click here. After that, choose and open account recovery page. Account recovery, recover your Google account, and in this time you can easily recover your Gmail account, recover your Google account without phone number, without recover email, without password, without OTP. So let's see. So first of all, in this here write your recover Gmail account. After that choose next, click on it. In this time you can see success. That's when I can easily recover Gmail account without phone number, without recover email, without password. After that I can choose and open change password. You can see choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. So in this here you can write or create your recover Gmail account new password. After that choose change password, click on it. Choose and select change password. You can see in this way you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Google account without phone number, without recover email, without password, without verification code. So in this time go to your Gmail. After that choose and open. You can see your Google account was recovered successfully. Google account recovered successfully. That's when I can easily recover Google account without recover email, without phone number, without password, or recover Gmail account without phone number and without recover email. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.